Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply transitions to slides in Google Slide. By default, when you're creating a presentation document in Google Slide, there won't be any transition animation. So basically, when you present the whole document or the whole presentation, and when you jump from one slide to another, there would be no transition. And it's not very good, especially if you want to impress your audience by some really good animation and you want to make them pay attention to the slide. Now, to apply some transition effects to the slide, you can select or click on any slide, and you can also just go to this menu that says transition, and you can also right click here and then you can click transition. It's the same thing. You can click this, you can also right click, it is the same thing, and then you can select the animation style for this particular slide. So let's say I'm going to select it to be slide from right, and this basically means that when I'm on the first slide and when I move on to this slide with a transition effect, you'll see there is this icon indicating that there is an animation effect in this slide. Then the transition will happen, but it won't happen on the first slide. So that's the logic of transition effects in Google Slides. Let me give you the demonstration. Let's start the whole slideshow. And this is the first slide, and the second slide will have a transition effect. And there you go. But the third slide doesn't have any effect. And also the fourth slide doesn't have any effect. So it only applied to this particular slide. And by the way, you can also just click this button to apply the transitions to all slides in this document. So this will ensure that every single one of them will have the same animation style or transition animation style. And when you start running the presentation again, you will see that every slide will have a nice and smooth transition like this. So yeah, that's basically how you can apply transitions in Google Slides.